Well, it's going to be cold in Denver over the next few days, but of course, it's January in Denver, Colorado. Whoop-de-doo. Me telling you it's cold in January, that's obvious, but tonight in particular could be one of our coldest nights in the last year or two, and here's the reason why. When we've got three things that we look for, it tends to maximize cold air. So let's explain that. First of all, we're going to have light winds for tonight, and the basic degree of science that you need to know about cold air is it is heavy. So think about taking a bowling ball and dropping it off of a building or something. Don't do that. But the basic premise is cold air wants to sink down towards the surface. If you've got wind, that cold air cannot sink down. The other thing that could prevent that cold air from sinking down, cloud cover, right? That acts as basically a blanket over the surface. But tonight, clear skies in place, and that will allow that cold, dense air to sink down. And we're throwing a third thing here, though, is we got that fresh snowpack that will also just add a little bit more cold air right at the surface and keep things on the cold side. So that's why tonight, yes, it's going to be cold. Yes, it's January in Denver, Colorado, but we dropped down to 4 degrees tonight. That would be our coldest temperature in about a full calendar year for us here in Denver, about 355, 360 days since we were last this cold for us. And the last time we dropped down to single digits alone was back on February the 17th of last year. So part of this is the fact that it's been very warm so far this winter season, but also tonight we've got those special conditions in place to maximize the cold. And so that means in maybe parts of the high country, maybe in Middle or North Park, we drop down to minus 20, minus 25 tonight because we got those three things in place: fresh snow, light winds, and clear skies.